my name is Anbrit and welcome to my channel. My background is I'm a beauty therapist, spa therapist, and I've been in the skincare industry for 30 years. So today's video we are going to be doing a demo, a review and also a check-in on LA Girl Pro BB Cream. Also NYX Born to Glow Radiant Concealer, Born to Glow Liquid Illuminator, and NYX HD Finishing Powder in Banana. So as you can see, this is the end result. I'm not going to give too much away, so without further ado, let's get into the video. First of all, I'm going to apply Born to Glow Liquid Illuminator. We can use this on the cheekbones or all over the face for a fresh, radiant look. So about this product, it comes in 4 different shades. You can use it as a foundation base or just over the cheekbones, but I need some radiance. So I'm going to apply it all over. And this product is vegan. It comes in 4 shades, if I said that already, and this is $7.50. Now, hopefully that's going to give us a nice glow. It looks like it already. So it's not shimmery. I'm going to show you a close-up later on my hand. Okay, so next up on the agenda is the $7 BB cream. Can you believe that? $7. Now the only drawback with this straight away is it doesn't have sun protection. I have already applied my sunscreen, and then as you've seen I just applied the Illuminator, so that's the only drawback, but come on, it's $7, like we can't really moan about that too much. So this product here from LA Girl, it comes in 8 shades. It says it's an HD Pro BB Cream, HD Beauty Balm. Primes, enhances and moisturizes the skin. It's paraben and fragrance free, great for people with sensitive skin. We have niacinamide, which is a fantastic ingredient for all skin types. And we have vitamin C and vitamin E, so obviously it's very good for sensitive skin because vitamin E is anti-inflammatory and helps support the skin barrier, same as niacinamide. Vitamin C brightens the skin. So I'm just applying this with my hands. I don't like applying, because BB's is more like a skincare product, so I don't see the need to apply it with a brush or sponge. I like using my fingers. So first up, I'll say it blends very nicely, moisturizing, but not too much, you know, it's not like oily, greasy feel. Coverage, definitely, I would say light to medium. We could build it up. Let me just apply a bit more. Yeah, see, that's a bit better coverage when you apply a bit more on there. I'm intentionally not putting it underneath my eyes. I'm going to put concealer there. Zoom you in for a close-up. As you can see, light to medium coverage, but it feels nice in the skin. It's not heavy. Does give you, as I say, a little bit of coverage, but anyway, let's go forward. We're going to use NYX again. As you can see, I was on a pharmacy rampage because I'm waiting on my skincare and new makeup products coming from Sephora, so I had to go and have a binge in the pharmacy. So this is NYX Born to Glow. Now let me tell you what it says about this one. It's a radiant concealer. It comes in 24. This shade is medium olive. I definitely made a mistake here. I should have went a bit lighter, but it's okay. We can still judge it. So this has micro pearls infused to cover up blemishes, and it won't go into the fine lines and wrinkles because it has vitamin E. Medium to full coverage, 12-hour wear, blurs imperfections. Now this was $9.50, great buy, and I love the little applicator. See the little sponge applicator? So I'm going to dot on here where I need. Put a bit on here. Now that maybe seem like a lot, guys, but it's not, honestly. It's because, as I say, the BB cream is a little bit coverage. My skin ain't perfect, so let's see how this goes. Okay, so this is really nice, actually. Wow. This blends really nicely, and I would definitely say this is good for mature skin. Definitely gives a little bit of a glow factor, for sure. I think I said it has micro pearls infused in this. So this is definitely a very nice concealer, especially for under eyes. I'll just spit a little bit in my nose, why not? We're using NYX. I bought this last night, so I've never used it. This is in the shade Banana. So this is the HD finishing powder. It's a mineral blend, and this was $9.50. And Banana has a brightening effect. The colour of this one, it's vegan, and it has a silky formula, and it's lightweight, and it's a matte finish. It says it softens lines, fine lines. So let's see. Now it says like apply with a powder puff for where you need to set it, like under the eyes, T-zone or whatever, or a sponge, and then I'm going to apply with a brush for the rest of the face. So let's see how this works. I would definitely say with BB cream, I mean, I always apply powder on my face anyway. I have to, because my skin is normal to oily combination, but I live in a humid climate, so my makeup would never last. So I would say if you've got more drier skin, just apply on the T-zone. So let me just put on my upper eyelid here. Okay, so I'm just going to take the powder brush. I'm just going to swirl it. Okay, so now that's with the powder. And the skin feels nice, it doesn't feel too dry, because I was a little bit scared when it says matte powder, because even though I'm normal to oily, normally I stay away from powders like that. So we will see, because we'll check back in later and see how it's lasted. I'm going back to my good old Revlon blush. This is Ravishing Rose. So I would definitely say that the Born to Glow Illuminator makes a huge difference, because when I tried this BB cream without that, because I just bought that last night, it didn't look as nice, I'm going to be honest with you. So yeah, definitely I would go with that. So I do not contour, I just do the old-fashioned style and do the blush drape. Okay, I can definitely see the skin looks a lot more radiant, so I'm going to go and do the rest of my makeup, and I'm going to come back and give you my final thoughts about everything we've just used. I want to see how it lasts throughout the day. So hi guys, I'm back. So I'm quickly going to show you what I used today, the rest of my makeup, all extremely affordable, all drugstore. So I used L'Oreal La Palette Nude. I simply used the white shade here and the taupe shade, just two colours up here, and the brown underneath to define. Mascara was Bambi Eye Mascara. This is L'Oreal. For my eyeliner, I also use NYX. This is the Epic Ink Liner. And for the lips, I use NYX Lip Liner and Lifter Lip Gloss by Maybelline. I will link it all in the description. But everything I used, oh I'm a liar, apart from my eyebrows, that is Benefit Eyebrow Pencil, but everything I used today. I'll give you my final review and thoughts on today's demonstration, what we used. So Born to Glow from NYX, the liquid illuminator, absolutely love it. I was quite shocked, because this was, how much did I say, $7.50? This makes such a huge difference to put on before your BB balm, because as I said, I didn't know if it was the powder I used the other day there that gave it a drab appearance or what. I really don't know, but this was absolutely gorgeous. I put it on all over the face. It's not a shimmer, it just gives you a really nice radiant glow underneath, makes your skin look really radiant, so I would definitely recommend that. The Pro BB cream for $7, absolutely amazing. I'm quite impressed. You do need concealer. I mean, I don't know anybody out there who's got perfect skin who doesn't have to wear concealer, but this was really good. The only downfall is you're going to have to apply your sunscreen beforehand, because it doesn't have sunscreen protection. But overall, I would say light to semi-medium coverage. But I would say from what I've reviewed so far to do with the BB creams, Maybelline is my favourite, and then this one. So I really did like it, but absolutely excellent for $7. The Born to Glow Radiant Concealer, oh my god, this stuff is amazing. Excellent for mature skin, and you know, their products are like fragrance free, you know, all the rest of it, so excellent for sensitive skin too. So this is a fantastic concealer, especially for under the eyes. And as you know, like as we get older, the skin, you know, we need all the glow that we can get. So yes, I would definitely recommend. And I was actually quite shocked with the powder. I would honestly recommend that too, in Banana. Now it does say, so maybe that's the difference also today, is because this is a brightening powder. Just be careful when you're applying it, because you know, you have to set under here, obviously. Just set under here to T-zone if you have to, like me, and then just lightly swirl a brush around for the rest of your face, because you don't want to be overkill. But this powder is excellent, very lightweight, very silky, absolutely loved it. So yeah, I mean, I loved everything that I used today, which is amazing, because the last foundation review I did with Charlotte Tilbury, I was not impressed. And also Giorgio Armani. I mean, when I think of the amount of money that cost me and I don't use it, I don't know why everybody raves about it. I honestly think it's crap. So anyway, that's my review in my straightforward Scottish style. So please remember to like and subscribe. The subscription button feels like it's living off the grid here. Like, what the hell is going on? So until the next beauty skincare video, and I promise you I will be doing more beauty videos. I'm waiting on my orders coming through. So until next time, I will stop gibbering and say adios, over and out, and thank you for watching. Bye.